My Kohler Highline Tall turned out to be too tall for me and was uncomfortable. So I replaced it with an Ergoheight Gerber Viper toilet. The tank features a Fluidmaster 400A fill valve and a 3-inch flapper. Here is the interior of the bowl. You'll see that the water spot is similar to that of the Gerber Maxwell that was originally installed in this spot. The trapway opening is similar. However, the siphon jet is larger. Here is a flush of the Gerber Viper with a complete tank refill. Close-up flush. Siphon jet action. I've added 6 wads of toilet paper. Let's see how the Viper handles it. The Gerber Viper suits my needs perfectly. It's a keeper.